In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make $3 every single minute by just chatting with people online. I'm not only going to show you guys how to make the money, I'll also be showing you guys proof to tell you by the end of this video, once you're done watching this video and implement every single thing I'm going to be teaching you in this video, you'll be able to make the same amount of money for yourself. So right now, let's dive into the video. You can see right here on my screen right now, this is a balance of $100 right now. So right now, I'm going to be clicking on the reload button to tell you this is not some screenshot or whatever. So I'm going to click on the reload button right here and let's just wait for it to reload. And you can see right here, it's done reloading and the same amount of money right here is still intact. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I made this money right. So what you need to do basically is to click on the first link in the description. It's going to be the first link you're going to be seeing down in the description. I'm going to take you to the website right here, and you can see right here on my screen, this is the website we're going to be using to make the money you saw on my screen. This was the website I used to make the $100 you guys saw on my screen earlier. So right now, if I scroll down a little bit right here, you can see right here, this website is going to pay you $0.1 right here to chat with people. So basically, this website is going to pay you money to chat with people online. And I know you guys may be wondering, okay, why is this website paying us to chat with people? The reason this website is paying us is because there are some people out there who are depressed, who are sad, so they basically need some people like you and me to talk to. So right now they're going to be paying this website money, and this website is going to be paying me and you right here to talk to these people. So all you need right now is to just talk to the people, try to make them happy. All you just need is just chat a little bit with them, try to make some friends with them, and from there you're gonna be getting paid. So I hope you guys got the point right here. So what you need to do right now is to create an account for yourself. Just click on this menu button right here and you'll be able to create a free account for yourself. You click on the menu button right here, it's going to take you to this page right here where you'll be able to create a free account for yourself. You can see the sign up button right here. Just click on this login menu right here. Just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, it's going to take you to a place where you could create a free account for yourself. You can see right here, just scroll down a little bit. All you need right now is to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, create a password and confirm your password, then agree with that terms and condition. So once you're done agreeing with that terms and condition, just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right there, it's going to take you straight to your dashboard. So right now, let me quickly create a free account for you right now to show you guys how you could go about on this website. So guys, I'm done creating an account. You can see basically they sent me a confirmation email, and this is how the email looks like. So once you also create an account on the website, this is how the confirmation email is going to look like. So they're going to ask you to verify your email address. So just click on the link right here. So once you click on the link right here, your account is going to be verified. So right now I'm going to log in to show you guys how it looks like in the inside. So guys, I just logged into my account. You can see right here, once you create your account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. It's going to have your balance right here. You can see right here, zero balance, and the reason is because I just created a new account right here for the purpose of this tutorial. Like I said, guys, if you are getting any value from the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button right here, like the video. It's gonna really motivate me a lot to create more videos like this for you guys. And by the way, it is free to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you know you're getting any value from the video. So once you are in your dashboard right here, you could just scroll down a little bit, and you can see right here, these are people that you're going to be chatting with, and you can see right here, this person is going to pay you $0.020 per minute to chat with him. This person is going to pay you $0.50 to chat with him. This person is going to pay you $0.25 to chat with him. So you could literally chat with a lot of people right here. There are a lot of people to chat with. All you just need right now is to chat with a lot of people. But before you start chatting with a lot of people, you need to first set up your profile picture. And in order to set up your profile picture, all you need right now is to click on your account right here. Where you're gonna see your name. So once you click on the account section right here, it's gonna take you to the dashboard, and you can see right here, you could see all your account info. Just click on your profile image, then you could literally set up your account details and all of that. So I'll be doing that right now in a jiffy. So basically, you'll be asked to upload an image of yourself, then write an about me description on the site so that people could trust you and know the person they are chatting with. So I'll be uploading an image of myself right here. So basically, I want you guys to take note of something. Once you are completing your profile picture, it's going to be logging you out, but I just want you to take note of this. Once it logged you out, make sure you log in back to your account right here, because that's how the website literally is. So it's going to log you out for a bit, then it's going to log you in back. So I just want you guys to take note of this. So you guys can see right here, I'm done setting up my profile picture, and you can see right here, once you are done setting up your profile picture, the next thing is to set up a payment method. So all you just need is to go to the add money right here, and by the way, you won't be adding any money right here. It is free to make money on this website. It is basically free to make money on this website. So you can see right here on my screen there are various payment method. The payment method right here is through PayPal. So if you're in Nigeria, you don't have access to PayPal is banned in Nigeria, but there are various payment methods right here. If you're watching this video from USA, UK, you could literally collect your money through PayPal or through bank transfer. But if you're in Nigeria right here, you could either collect your money through Stripe or Payoneer. So you could either collect your money through Stripe. So once you already reach the minimum threshold of $5, you could collect your money through Stripe. So, and by the way, you could also set up your country right here. All you just need is to go to the settings bar. So you could set up your country. Once you click on this tab right here, you could set up your country. You're gonna see where you could put in your info and all of that. So right now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to chat with people, how to make money right here, chatting with people on this website. So in order to chat with these people right here, basically all you need right now is to click on that profile. So once you click on that profile right here, it's going to take you straight up to their profile. You can see right here, this is the person's profile, and this person is going to pay you $0.20 per minute to chat with him. And you can see right here, this is his description right here. This is about him. All you need to know about the person. That's the reason why I told you guys earlier in the beginning of this video to fill out your profile picture and put in an about me of yourself. So you could just scroll down right here. All you need right now is to do a video call with this person or send the person a message. So you could either do a video call or send the person a message. So once you are done chatting with the person is going to pay you $0.20. So you could literally chat with a lot of people right here on this website. So the more people you chat, the more money you make. So like I said, if you're getting any value from the video, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video right now, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community. Go down in the description if you want to learn more ways to make money online. So that's how I basically make $100 you guys saw on my screen right here by simply chatting with people right here on this website. So you could do this right here for yourself. All you need right now is to watch this video again and implement what I just taught you guys in this video, and from there you could literally start making a lot of money for yourself. So if you want to learn more ways you could literally use to make money online, you could basically check out the second link in the description right here. It's going to take you to my course where I'll be teaching you how you could literally make $1,000 every single month for yourself. And by the way, video is going to be popping right here on your screen, literally teaching you how to make more money online. So click on the video right now, and I'm going to see you guys in the video.